everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we dive in, you've already seen the preview of these stunning glitch transitions, and now it's time to explore what's inside. This is the 25th Glitch Transitions Pack, designed to give your videos a powerful, professional touch in seconds. And here's something special. The first 50 viewers who subscribe and comment "I need this" below will get this pack absolutely free. Just send me an email after commenting and I'll personally share the Google Drive link with you. These transitions are super easy to use. Just drag and drop between your clips in Premiere Pro and you're done. No need for complex setups or keyframing. Plus, if you want a step-by-step walkthrough, a complete video tutorial is included inside the pack to guide you through the entire process. You can get this full pack from Gumroad for just $5. The download link is in the description below. If you need any help with this pack or have questions, feel free to reach out to me via email. I'm here to support you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more high-quality editing tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.